Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Do me a favor, hit the like button and also subscribe if you enjoy this content. In this video, I'm going to kind of do a midweek of what the Fed did today and how the stock market's reacting to it and what to expect for the next couple of days. But first, make sure you guys check out my new video course, my top 5 trading strategies that I use every day. It's a bundle, over 7 hours of video content, education of what my top 5 trading strategies are. I go in depth, links down below, so make sure you guys check that out. But let's jump right into the video. We're looking at the S&P Eminis. The Fed came out. They raised 75 basis points, or three quarters of a point today, and the market likes it. The market did rally. We do see a nice clean waterfall, right? And then this is the Wednesday evening candle, so I'm doing it after rollover, but during the day today we did break higher to the upside. Over the weekend, I did draw these lines. We came directly right down into it, that 37,700 level, and we bounced. In my video, I said we get down there, start looking to sell puts. That's what I did. I kind of teach you guys about selling puts in the S&P Eminis in my weekly or in my top 5 trading strategies video course. That's new. If you're a member currently and you want a discount code, just check the send me an email or log in, and there's information of what to do. But send me an email and I will send you a member special discount link. But we are in we bounced off, right? We made lows, bounced off the 30 level on the RSI. We have a high volume, right, which is usually signals a low. We still really haven't seen any crazy flush in this market, so I'm just going to kind of call this as a potential bounce back up. I'm not saying the all clear. I think there's still maybe one more leg lower in the overall market, probably down to this 3,500 level on the S&P, and then I think that's it. But let's just real quick grab our Fibonacci retracement, go from this high right here to this low. These are the levels that I'm going to be looking for, and look at how kind of perfect this 61 to 70% lines up with this with this trend line. So that's a level that I'm going to be watching for if we do rally. Now, if the market does take out yesterday's low, Wednesday's low, be careful. Watch for potential new lows, because that will be a failed waterfall going on. But I'll say probably bullish for the next couple days. Remember, it is options expiration. I also have a Patreon page where I sell options, puts monthly. There's a link down below. It's $8. Check it out. If you want to be told kind of what to sell, essentially every month, I update them, options expiration week, and we just kind of let everything expire this past week and had 4 winners, so or this past month. So with that being said, I'm going to keep it short, sweet, simple for this video, but just kind of want to give you an update of what's going on. These are the levels. Watch for probably resistance at the 38.50. I don't think it'll be a straight moonshot all the way to the upside, but we do have a gap fill around 3,900. And then this 3880 level was also going to be a resistance level. So we will see what happens over the next couple days, but that's how I'm doing. One last thing. Bitcoin / BTC. Look at this, a nice breakdown from the spare flag I called over the weekend. I said, hey, watch this 19,000 level. That was kind of my ultimate target. If you've been following me for a while, you know I've been talking about this 19 is kind of the major overall move. And guess what? If we zoom in, we literally hit a low of 20,025. So we'll call 19,000 close enough. I will take it. And so here, maybe we get a retracement. We do see a divergence going on Bitcoin from here to here and here to here. Right, a little higher. Here's our divergence, nice reversal candle. So maybe watch Bitcoin for a bounce, which will also probably take the overall market up for a bounce too. So hope this video helps. Again, check out my new course down below in the description. And until next time, we'll talk to you soon.